Hello. Today we're going to the Tulumban. We have planned 2 dives at Liberty Wreck. Something really simple. The conditions are just perfect. Agong is absolutely clear and looks beautiful today. The ocean is really calm and nice. The girl I did dive today with is a dancer, and when you will look at this footage, or you already saw it actually, So then you can see that every single moment is like a dancing for her. I always been saying that diving is like a Tai Chi, you know, all this in China, in parks, there's a lot of old people coming out every single day, and they doing these movements like from the martial arts, but it's like a dancing actually. Any martial arts is like a dancing. If you feel this rhythm, if you feel this movement, then you can feel this special, then it's easier to move, it's easier to get away from all these punches and other stuff. But what I'm just trying to say is that diving definitely is all about the moment. Diving is all about feeling water, and when you feel it, then you're feeling really comfortable. You are like in a harmony of all this environment. Your breathing, your movements, if you put it all together, that's the highest point in diving. What is the highest point for me. Don't go for diving as a sport, don't go for diving for something else. So first you work on some components and then you put only all them together. If you just say, okay, as this with this thing I can do this, that it doesn't work like this in diving. I mean, first of all, train the movements, first of all, train the breathing, then train the buoyancy, and only then go for the deep dives. That's what I'm trying to say. I have this incredible feeling that another person really enjoyed the diving, and that's the most important for me. I put all the components I've been trained for together to transfer it to this particular person, to make this person feel comfortable and start enjoying. Today we didn't lose anyone from the diving, we actually get to our family another person. And that's the most important for me. Tomorrow will be another day, another divers. Girls going for the sunrise dive. I mean Tonya, Laura and Anna. I'm not going, I have another plans. thank you very much for watching me today again. I really appreciate. Follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.